Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door.
Hey, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to my channel, my name is Dakshita Yadav. So today there is something interesting जो कि thumbnail से आपको पता चल गया होगा. So I had taken a challenge of 30-day running challenge. So first thing I want to clear, now this 30-day challenge I have taken as in that I really want to increase my stamina and I really want to boost up my energy. So I started and included this part in my daily routine. So I've taken challenge. It's been a month, means it been a whole September I have taken this challenge, and I have put on the clips also for when I've started and at which state I was feeling like so nervous. I was not really ready to do what I actually wanted to do. So I thought, to make ourselves better, you really need to add something to your body which really give you the strength, which really give you the power of stamina to include in your workload, which will eventually work on yourself, and that to really help me a lot. Now what I did is I started running. Now first thing, I never committed to myself that I will be running this much kilometer, I will be running with this much speed. So basically I was doing the normal, you can say a warm-up. Started running a slow running, because I really want to gain, right? So for that, for muscles building, you really need to have a proper diet with a proper workout session. So I started from the day one, and the day one really was so miserable for me. I really can't express you. I will share you that on the clip itself, that you will really come to know.
Locked inside of all the times when
हेलो, तो ये मैं पॉइंट ऐड कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट डे एंड आई थिंक इट्स द इवनिंग टाइम. तो मेरे मसल्स बहुत गंदे पेन हो रहे हैं. आई मीन थाइज आर लाइक बर्निंग लाइक नथिंग. सो अगर कोई स्टार्ट कर रहा है तो ये बर्न होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. पूरी बॉडी एक तो आपकी होगी, आप कुछ भी कर लो. सो घबराना मत कि ये क्या हो रहा है. बट यहाँ लेट्स सी आगे क्या रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. वेटिंग फॉर द रिजल्ट्स. सो आई जस्ट कम्ड अप. इफ़ आई कंपेयर विद द प्रीवियस डे, टुडे वाज द सेकंड डे. तो जो आज भी मैंने 3 ही राउंड लगा पाई, ज़्यादा मैंने नहीं लगाए. बट हाँ, दैट वॉज नॉट क्वाइट दैट डिफिकल्ट. दैट वॉज यस्टरडे. सो लेट्स सी क्या होता है. And one more thing, don't push your body so hard that it really needs rest. So when your body needs rest, give it a rest, but don't push hard, because of the first day yesterday I did so bad. I mean, it was hurting me a lot and I was not able to wake up in the morning. So don't stretch too much. Just start with a little and end with the more. So that's I believe. So I did it. And by growing day by day, I realized that I can eventually increase my stamina. So benefit I got from these were amazing. You cannot imagine. If you really want to give it a try, I would recommend you to just go and give it a try. So the first thing which I generally like in this was I was really boosted up whole day till night. I was really active, and although I have standed my level up by day, there was muscles pain, no doubt. If your body is in rest for the, you really need to work out on your body. There should be a prospect in your life. You really need to have your own concern. And plan which I have took for myself was really good. I was really active for the whole day. I can plan my day really well. I was able to organize things really well. My mind was really calm, because by that duration, while running, what I used to do is I run 2-3 round or 4 round of the garden, and then I sit down and calm myself and do some yoga or the asanas, which really give me a warmth. I feel like if I did, so I'm really glad that I can share you all, because I did that and I am really having a good results. And the second most wonderful result what I got is now this is especially for girls who are really going through severe pain on their periods. I don't shame in talking about that subject. So yes, so out of 100, 90% of girls are facing this problem. So by doing these rituals, I'm not saying that you have to go and run. No, you really need to encourage
something in your body, something in your body type, some movement, some yoga, some running. You really need to do some physical activity now this whole month. And when I came up, the results were amazing. I really don't feel that much aggressive pain which I was feeling earlier, and I was like, oh my god, this really worked, and I'm absolutely going to continue this. And if I talk about the last part, so I have this split it because I cannot go running and take all the records. It's the same because I'm doing the same thing on the whole day. So what I did is, now at the coming to the 25th day, I was switching because I went home. I came home. Currently, I'm only shooting through my home itself. So I came home. Then also there was 5 days lefting. So what I did is, when I came home, I started the alternative days. So now what I observe the whole process. If you're going through this, now split that part. Now the whole 15 to 20 days I did running. Running and yoga was the continuous part I was doing. When I came home from the last 15 days, what I do is, I do one day I go for running, one day I go for cycling, one day I go for, so that switch I'm doing. Because you never want, my first suggestions to you, if your body is not allowing you to do or you to continue other things. If you have run about 1 kilometer, say for an example, you have run about 1 kilometer and your body stopped there, that no, now I can't. So if your body is allowing you that you cannot run forward, so I would recommend not to do that, because your body needs healing, right? That part will take time, that is bit by bit. So I did it and I really loved it, and I'm also continuing right now. So that is really giving me a good benefits out of. You can also have this commitment to yourself. I know it's really pretty bad. Now in the middle of the session, now after 7th day, what had happened is, like, I was like, no, yeah, Dakshita, I really don't want to go. I was like, no, I'm not going. But I went 1.5 late, but I went, because at the moment you stop yourself, like, no, yeah, today I'm not going. Then the whole 7 day what you did will going to be waste. So don't do that. I am telling you, don't try to do that. It will waste all your stamina which you have collected for the whole 7 day, and the 8th day, if you will stop it, you will again come to the zero. So if you're starting something, you really have to do that, and I know you will do it. If I can do it, you can also do it. And the thing which I am telling all the people who really do that work, why they tell you that if I can do it, then you can also not do it. Definitely यार, क्योंकि मैंने किया है, तो आप लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो? So just give it a chance to yourself and make change happening in your life. So आपको मिलती हूँ मैं next video तक. Till then, bye, love you, and please do subscribe and share to my channel. If you really like this video, आप share करो. Maybe somehow something happen, किसी को motivation ही मिल जाए, they can do. So till then, bye, take care, खुदा हाफिज.